Hello YouTube, Jeff Steele here. What you're looking at is the world's best homemade or jerry-rigged grill. Parts are free. All you need is 2 old steel wheels, a rotor from a vehicle, and 4 pieces of rebarb, all welded together. Legs are welded on the bottom, wheels are welded together, and only tools you really need is a welder and a zip wheel or cutter wheel. Once you weld the wheels together, you cut a section out as you see here with the zip wheel, and the wheels have the holes already pre-cut, and this is the rotor, just sits on top. The wheels have the holes already cut in, and the holes go all the way through to the ground. As you can see, creates a good draw. And you can put a pot, a pan on top, or you could really weld a grate on top of that rotor. Build a little fire, put some charcoal in here. Now I will say, ash does fall out onto the ground underneath. You could really take a steel tray or something, slide under to catch anything that falls through. But outside of that, the holes on the bottom really create a good draw with the heat. So most of us can go to a junkyard, scrap yard, can find these parts and find somebody to weld them together. It's a pretty simple idea. It works exceptionally well, especially if you're creating a good stew. You just put your pot right on top. We have this at our deer camp. Comment down below or post pictures in the comments. Do you have any similar ideas for making a grill? Share this video. Tap the thumbs up button, the bell icon, and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.